Well, we're on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and it's beautiful. There's Bello. It's only about 4,500 feet, 4,085. There's a lot of people on the parkway today. Yeah, it's beautiful. I really like fall. There's Sakshi going across the street to take a picture. You hear the wind? It's about 58 degrees. It's October 19th, 2012. It's really beautiful. It's a blue sky day. Oh, I just love it. Oh, where's Bello? Bello? There's Bello. Oh my gosh. Come here, Bello. We're at the Mills River Valley Overlook. Forgot about Bello. The sky is so beautiful. Come here, Bello.